HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Look at this magical floating hot air balloon. Let's begin. A square for the basket. 2 lines to connect the skirt. And a big balloon. Cover the balloon with lines. And done! Time to paint. Start off with red and then green. Purple, the color gold, pink, cyan, orange, green, and red again. What a pretty balloon! Let's quickly complete it. Sea green for the skirt and golden for the details. Yay! Ready to fly? Woohoo! This is magical! Here is our lovely hot air balloon. See you next time! Let's make a spaceship today. Make a half circle and 5 slanting lines. Join these lines with 2 curvy lines below. Wasn't that easy? Now let's make legs for the spaceship. This is fun, isn't it? Let's make buttons. Our spaceship is ready. Now let's color it. Let's color the lines we made green, red, yellow, and pink. Now color the half circle we made with sky blue. Almost there. Let's color the curvy lines with dark blue. Color the legs of the spaceship orange. There you go! Our spaceship is ready. Let's go for a fun adventure into space. Hi kids! Ready to draw a submarine? Let's begin. Start with the tube shape for the periscope. Two slanting lines and a big oval shape for the submarine. Just like that. Let's add some details. Make 3 circles for the windows and smaller circles within. Two wings for a propeller. A curvy line showing the water surface. Done! Now let's give this a nice neat outline. Adding details to our drawing looks awesome. And now it's time to color. Let's start with an orange for the periscope. And some red too. Now blue and purple. Isn't this a really cool submarine? Let's use yellow for the main body for our submarine. Just like this. Keep going with neat strokes. For the front, red will look great. Let's use it for the back too. And now some green. And now some green for the windows. This is turning out great. Use purple for the smaller circles. Pink wings. And a blue and orange fan. Ta-da! Here is our submarine, kids. Are you ready for an underwater adventure?